My kid is grinding their teeth and it's driving me crazy. What do I need to do? This is one of the most common ones. So early in life, when they first get their teeth, a lot of kids are grinding those teeth together. They're really grating really loud sound. Very normal. It's just exploratory. Figuring out they have teeth, that they can grind them together. There are some schools have thought that tooth grinding in a little bit older children, 2 through 6, 7, might be due to airway issues. We'll sometimes see it more in kids that have a restricted palate, stuffy nose, asthma, things like that. It's a way for them to bring that bottom jaw forward and open up their airway a little bit. If your child's a little bit older, it's worth mentioning your pediatrician and exploring those too. But most of the time, it's just something kids do off and on. It comes and goes. They tend to outgrow it once their permanent teeth come in. If they don't outgrow it, that's when we'll talk about with permanent teeth, something like a mouth guard.